everyone. Good morning. This is Mallikarjun from 3D Department of St. Peter's Engineering College. Our today's topic is regarding PMMC instrument. The meaning of or the abbreviation of the PMMC instrument is that permanent magnet moving coil. That is, it is a special type of moving coil instrument which is used to measure only DC values. Which is used to measure only DC values. DC values are nothing but the PMMC instrument is specially designed to read or to calculate only the average values of a particular instrument. And as we are using a permanent magnet in this instrument to produce a magnetic field, this instrument is called as a permanent magnet moving coil instrument, and it is used only for DC supply. And it is used only for DC supply. Now coming to the construction of a PMMC instrument. There are 4 to 5 construction parts of a PMMC instruments, which includes the first part is permanent magnets. The first part is permanent magnets, and the second part is spindle, and the second part is spindle. Third part is aluminium frame. Third part is aluminium frame. Fourth part is springs. Fourth part is springs which are spherical in shape. Springs which are spherical in shape. Coming to the fifth part, that is pointer attached to a scale. Pointer with scale. So these are the 5 major construction parts of an PMMC instrument, which includes a permanent magnets, a spindle, an aluminium frame, a springs, and also pointer which is attached to a scale. Now we'll go for the construction of an PMMC instrument. As indicated that it consists of a magnet. Let me say that this is a magnet which consists of a north pole and south pole. And let me say that there is an aluminium frame which is placed in this particular magnet here. This is an aluminium frame, and I am placing the spindle here. And I am placing the spindle here, and I am using supporters for this spindle to withstand. I am using supporters at the edges here for a spindle, and there are springs which are present in the spindle itself for the purpose of carrying current, and the supply is given to the springs. And the supply is given to the springs. So these are the general construction parts which I am going to have in the form of a diagram on the board here, which consists of a magnet, a spindle which carries springs in it, and aluminium frame. Now, due to the presence of a magnet will produce some amount of magnetic field here according to its property from north pole to south pole. From north pole to south pole. And for a spindle, I am using a supporters here, and these supporters are used as a supporting rods for this pivot or this spindle here. And the spindle is carrying some amount of springs. The springs are the major element in case of an PMMC instrument to produce the controlling torque here. As we have discussed earlier, there will be 3 types of forces which is used to take the reading by using an instrument. So this is one of the technique which is used to produce the controlling torque in this instrument with the help of the springs. As the springs are the main current carrying elements here, this is used to produce a controlling torque. And the main thing is these springs are made up of phosphorus bronze. These springs are made up of phosphorus bronze, and these springs are very brittle in nature. That is, they can be easily breakable because the withstanding capacity of the springs which is used in case of PMMC instrument is only 50 milliamps. As the capacity of springs what I am using here is 50 milliamps, the high amount of current cannot be passed through the springs. It can be breakable if I use more current here. Now coming to the aluminium frame. The aluminium frame which I have used in case of PMMC instrument consists of number of wires wounded around it. The main theme of having an aluminium frame is to provide damping here, and the main use of having a magnet in case of PMMC instrument is to produce a magnetic field. and spindle is nothing but it is used to carry the springs which are used to carry some amount of current in it. And coming to the edge supporters, we have the jewel bearings in case of edges of the spindle, where the jewel bearings are used to reduce the error which is caused between the rapidity. That is, indirectly it is going to reduce the frictional error within the instrument. It is going to reduce the frictional error within the instrument. This is regarding the construction of a PMMC instrument. Now we will discuss working. Now we will discuss working. The working principle of a PMMC instrument is completely based upon the working principle of a DC motor. Working principle of a DC motor. That is, the PMMC instrument will work on Lorentz force law. Will work on Lorentz force law. Now we will give the statement of a Lorentz force law here. Whenever a current carrying conductor, that is, in my construction, the current carrying conductor is nothing but spindle. The current carrying conductor is nothing but spindle. Whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field is nothing but where I am using a permanent magnet here. Whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, it produces some amount of force. It produces some amount of force. That force is utilized to move the pointer. That force is utilized to move the pointer. This is the statement of a Lorentz force law. This is the statement of a Lorentz force law. I am giving the statement once again. Whenever a current carrying conductor or current carrying element placed in a magnetic field, it produces some amount of force. That force is utilized to move the pointer on the given scale. That force is used to move the pointer on the given scale here. Now, the force which is utilized to move the pointer on the scale is called as what? Deflection force. Now, let me say that deflection force is applied in this direction in case of a PMMC instrument. Now, I need to control the position of a pointer. Now, I need to control the position of a pointer to take the exact reading by using this instrument. In order to control the position of a pointer, I need to produce controlling force. I need to produce controlling force. The controlling force in PMMC instrument is produced with the help of a springs. Is produced with the help of a springs. Due to that result, the controlling force in a PMMC instrument will be opposite to the direction of a deflection force. Now, what happens is that the two forces which is developed by a Lorentz force law, which is developed by the springs, will collide at a particular point. When two forces collide at a particular point, some collisions or oscillations will take place here. The same thing will happen in case of a pointer. As one force is moving in one direction and another force is moving in opposite to that, what happens is that the pointer will have some oscillations in it. In order to reduce the oscillations in the pointer, I am going to use one more force on it, that is called as damping force. That is called as damping force. So, in order to move the position of a pointer on a scale, I am using a deflection force. In order to control the position of a pointer on the scale, I am using a control force. In order to reduce the oscillations in case of a pointer, I am using a damping force here. Here, the deflection force is produced with the help of a magnetic field. Deflection force is produced with the help of a magnetic field. Controlling force is produced with the help of a springs which is present in a given diagram, and damping force is produced due to the permanent magnets. Due to the permanent magnets, and the damping technique what we are using in case of a PMMC instrument is eddy current damping. Is eddy current damping. I am giving you the brief view of PMMC instrument again. It consists of 5 major construction parts. First one is permanent magnets, which are used to produce strong magnetic field. Second one is spindle, which is used to carry some amount of current with the help of a springs. With the help of a springs. And the second one and third one is aluminum frame. The aluminum frame consists of number of tons of wire. Number of tons of wire which is wound around that particular aluminum frame. And the fourth one is springs. The springs are the major elements which are present in case of a PMMC instrument to carry some amount of current. And the fifth construction part is pointer attached to a scale. With the help of this, we are going to take the exact reading or exact measurement of DC current or DC voltage by using this PMMC instrument. Now coming to the working principle of a PMMC instrument is Lorentz force law. Lorentz force law. I am giving the statement again. Whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences some amount of force. It experiences some amount of force. Now we will go for the advantages. Now we will go for the advantages of a PMMC instrument. Now we will go for the advantages of a PMMC instrument. The main basic advantage of using a PMMC instrument is the scale of PMMC instrument is linear. The scale of PMMC instrument is linear, that is, it is more uniform when compared with the other instrument. It is more uniform when compared with the other instrument. What is the first advantage? The scale of the PMMC is linear. And what is the second advantage? It is more uniform when compared with the other instruments. And coming to the measurement of DC values, this PMMC instrument will give you the high accurate values, high accurate average values, high accurate average values when compared with the other instruments. This average values either may be a voltage, either may be a current. And coming to the next advantage, this is used to measure pure DC values. Pure DC values. These are the advantages of a PMMC instrument. The first advantage is scale is linear. Second one is more uniform, high accurate, and it is mainly used only for measuring pure DC values. Now we will go for the disadvantages. This instrument cannot be used for AC supply. This is the major disadvantage of an PMMC instrument. This instrument cannot be used for measuring RMS values of current and voltage. It cannot be used for AC supply. Coming to the second disadvantage, the current carrying capacity of springs which are used in case of a PMMC instrument is only 50 milliamps. If I pass the current through the springs more than this 50 milliamps, there may be a chance of break of the springs what I am using in this PMMC instrument. Due to that, the springs are very brittle in nature, that is easily breakable when I pass the current more than 50 milliamps. These are the major disadvantages of an PMMC instrument. Now we will go for the applications. Applications of a PMMC instrument. Applications of a PMMC instrument. The first application is it is used to measure pure DC values. It is used to measure pure DC values of any meter. It is used to measure pure DC values of any meter. Coming to the second application, it can also be used as a galvanometer. For showing null deflection value. That is, the PMMC instrument can also be used as a galvanometer for null deflection of value. These are the construction, working, and advantages, disadvantages, and applications of an PMMC instrument. Now we will move to the next topic, that is expression for torque in case of a PMMC instrument. Expression for torque in case of an PMMC instrument. As we have discussed earlier, when we are dealing with the construction of an PMMC instrument, one torque is used to move the pointer, which is called as deflection torque. I am indicating that as TD. And one more torque is produced with the help of a springs to control the position of a pointer, that is called as controlling torque. One torque is produced with the help of a magnetic field to move the position of a pointer. One torque is produced by using the springs to control the position of a pointer. The deflection torque produced due to the magnetic field in case of a PMMC instrument is given by BINA. And the controlling torque produced by the springs in order to control the position of a pointer in case of a PMMC instrument is given by KC theta. Now coming to the diagram again, the two forces are colliding at a particular point. The two forces are colliding at a particular point. That condition is called as steady state condition. That condition is called as steady state condition. At steady state condition, the torque developed by magnetic field will be equal to torque developed by the springs. That is, BINA will be equal to Kc into theta, where the value of theta is given by BINA by Kc. BINA by Kc. Now I am going to represent each and every parameter here, where TD is called as a deflection torque, B is called as a magnetic flux density, I is nothing but current, N is number of turns, A is cross sectional area, and theta is deflection of a pointer, By having different relations and different equations for deflection torque and controlling torque along with the steady state condition, the final equation obtained is theta equal to BINA by Kc. That is, from this equation, the deflection of a pointer, that is, theta is directly proportional to the value of current. Theta is directly proportional to the value of current. That indicates that the scale of PMMC is linear, because the deflection of a pointer is directly proportional to the current which is flowing in that particular spindle. As the deflection of a pointer is directly proportional to the current flowing in the spindle, the scale of the PMMC is linear. Due to that reason, it is considered as a major advantage of a PMMC instrument. Major advantage of a PMMC instrument. This is regarding the expression of torque and relation between deflection of pointer and also the current in case of a PMMC instrument. Now we will go for the errors. Now we will move for the errors. Errors in case of an PMMC instrument. Errors in case of an PMMC instrument. The major types of errors which are present in case of a PMMC instrument are: first one is frictional error. Second one is temperature error. Third one is frequency error. Fourth one is stray magnetic field error. These are the four major types of errors which may occur in any instrument, either it may be MC instrument or it may be MI instrument. Now we will discuss about impact of these errors in case of a PMMC instrument, whether this error is present in a high in case of a PA instrument or it is low, and how to reduce this type of error in case of this instrument. Coming to the first and foremost important error, that is frictional error. The frictional error is mainly due to the rapidity of instruments. As PMMC consists of a spindle, due to the rotation of a spindle and due to the rapidity between the different equipments which are present in that particular PMMC instrument, the frictional error will occur. In order to reduce the frictional error in case of a PMMC instrument, torque to weight ratio should be maintained as high. In order to reduce the frictional error in PMMC instrument, which is caused by the rapidity of equipment in this instrument, the torque to weight ratio should be maintained as high. And in order to reduce the frictional error at the edges of the spindle, I need to use the Jewell bearings. Or else I need to use the ball bearings, which are used to reduce the frictional error in case of a spindle. In order to reduce the impact of frictional error in the total instrument, I need to maintain the torque to weight ratio as high. Coming to the next type of error, temperature error. The temperature error is mainly caused in PMMC instrument due to the passage of current. due to the passage of current continuously in case of winding which is wounded in aluminum frame or else in case of a springs. Due to the continuous passage of current, what happens? The heat will be produced or heat will be dissipated. Due to the rise of heat or temperature, we will get temperature error. Due to the heat dissipated in case of a spindle or else heat dissipated due to the continuous passage of current, we will have a temperature error. This temperature error can be reduced by using swamping resistor. The temperature error in case of a PMMC instrument can be reduced by using swamping resistor. Swamping resistor is nothing but it is an alloy which is a combination of copper plus manganese. Copper plus manganese. By using this swamping resistor, which is an alloy made up of copper plus manganese, it is used to reduce the temperature error in case of an PMMC instrument. In case of an PMMC instrument. Now coming to the next type of error, frequency error. Now coming to the next type of error, frequency error. The frequency error is completely absent in case of a PMMC instrument because PMMC instrument is used only for DC supply. PMMC instrument is used only for DC supply. That is, there is no frequency error in case of an PMMC instrument. Now coming to the next type of error, that is stray magnetic field error. Stray magnetic field error. The stray magnetic field errors are mainly due to the external magnetic fields. The stray magnetic field errors are mainly due to the external magnetic fields. But the base of the stray magnetic field error or the value of the stray magnetic field error is somewhat less in case of a PMMC instrument because the value of stray magnetic field errors are very less in case of a PMMC instrument because of use of a strong magnetic field. As we have discussed earlier, that is stray magnetic fields are mainly due to the external magnetic fields. But the external magnetic field, what I am using in case of a PMMC instrument, is very strong as I am using a permanent magnet. So, due to the usage of permanent magnets, as there is a strong magnetic field, the stray magnetic field errors are very less in case of a PMMC instrument. Very less in case of an PMMC instrument. If you want to reduce the stray magnetic field errors, you need to use strong magnetic field as a base. These are the different parameters what we have discussed in the today's class regarding PMMC instrument. Coming to the first one, construction of an PMMC instrument. Next one is working of an PMMC instrument. Coming to the next point, advantages of PMMC instrument. Next, disadvantages. Next, applications. Coming to the next, errors present in case of an PMMC instrument. I'm coming to the last topic regarding errors and their impact in case of an PMMC instrument, and also how to reduce the errors in PMMC instrument, and also how to reduce the errors in case of an PMMC instrument.